Ever wondered what it's like to sleep underwater? Well, today on Glowenvy, I'm taking you inside Jules Undersea Lodge, a real hotel beneath the ocean. From diving just to check in to sleeping surrounded by sea life, this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. But is it really worth it? Let's find out. A haven for those who crave adventure. The air here hums with the promise of the unknown. My heart pounded with anticipation. Today I would conquer a new frontier. I would sleep with the fishes. Don't worry, I'm not talking about sleeping with the fishes like a mobster. I'm talking about Jules' Undersea Lodge, an underwater hotel, a chance to experience the ocean in a whole new way. The lodge is nestled in the heart of a mangrove lagoon. It's a hidden gem, a secret world waiting to be discovered. As I stepped into the scuba tiki bar, the excitement was palpable. Divers from all walks of life gathered here, all ready to embark on this unique adventure. We signed waivers, we went through safety briefings, we packed our dry boxes with essentials. The air crackled with nervous energy. We were about to descend into the watery depths. It was time to face the unknown. Our dive supervisor, a seasoned veteran with a twinkle in his eye, gave us a reassuring grin. "Ready to meet the fishes?" he boomed. We plunged into the turquoise abyss. Bubbles swirling around us, we began our descent. The pressure built in my ears. I equalized. The familiar pop, a reminder of the depths we were reaching. The underwater world unfolded before us. A kaleidoscope of colors. Schools of fish darted past. A giant grouper eyed us with curiosity. We were no longer observers. We were participants in this watery realm. After a short swim, we reached our destination, Jules Undersea Lodge. It emerged from the blue, an otherworldly sight. The entrance, a moon pool in the floor of the lodge, awaited. We popped up inside, one by one. We were greeted by the comforting hum of the air conditioner. We had arrived, our home beneath the waves. The lodge was surprisingly spacious. Large portholes offered panoramic views of the underwater world. Fish, coral, and the occasional curious sea turtle drifted past. It was mesmerizing. We explored our underwater home, 2 bedrooms, a common area, even a fully equipped kitchen. But the real highlight was the food, delivered by aquanauts in waterproof containers. It was a sight to behold. Imagine a scuba diver handing you a plate of coconut shrimp through a porthole. You had to see it to believe it. As the sun set, the ocean floor came alive. Bioluminescent creatures twinkled outside the portholes. It was like sleeping under a starry sky. The only difference? This sky was underwater. The gentle rocking of the lodge lulled me to sleep. The next morning, we woke up to the symphony of the sea. After a hearty breakfast, delivered of course by our trusty aquanauts, it was time for our final underwater adventure. We donned our gear. Back into the big blue, we went. A giant Goliath grouper, as big as a refrigerator, swam alongside us. The experience was unforgettable. Then, it was time to surface, to leave the underwater world behind. As I broke through the surface, I took one last look at the lodge. A twinge of sadness, yes, but mostly a feeling of exhilaration. I had conquered the underwater frontier. I had slept with the fishes and lived to tell the tale. And that, my friends, is an adventure I will never forget. If you love epic travel experiences, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Glowenvy adventures. See you in the next one.